party people! How are you today? I'm Unikitty and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you like arty videos, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about Whimsical Week. But to do that, I'm going to hand you off to Olive.
Hello everybody, I'm Olive the Autumn Fairy, and I was created for a drawing challenge called Whimsical Week. Today, Unikitty will show you her thought process behind her illustrated design for today's prompt. And while she watercolors, you can listen to the next installment of the story.
Day 5 of Whimsical Week was the prompt Underwater Galaxy. So I got this idea when I was sitting in math class, totally doing my math work, and I secretly thumbnailed the idea before my teacher told me off for drawing in my math book. So it's of Olivia being a reflection in the water and the picture being upside down, so the galaxy is actually in the sky, but the reflection of the water shows it in the water, so it's an underwater galaxy. And there's the ground bits up there, and the bottom of their feet and their hooves, and that's a reflection of her, and you can see the little unicorn sleeping and the moon. I awoke to the sound of a soft buzzing and a river flowing. My eyes fluttered open to the sight of 1,000 tiny fireflies dancing in the sky. Then suddenly I realized the chocolate river was gone, as well as the gumdrops and the other sweets. Where did they go? I wondered. Now all that's left is a normal river made of water and lights. I looked up at the sky made of millions of stars, creating a reflection of a galaxy in the water, like a whole other world beneath the surface. The fireflies continued dancing with glee, traveling down the river. Maybe they know the way home, I thought, waking up Luna and following the little bugs down the river's bend. As the sun rose, the bugs disappeared, leaving us lost and clueless. Where do we go now? Oh, I wish I could go home. Munch. Luna's horn started to glow.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked Olive's story, please like, comment and subscribe. If Whimsical Week seems interesting to you, please feel free to join, or if you're just interested in checking out the other artists' amazing work, you can also do that on Instagram. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the story and what you think will happen next. And I'll see you tomorrow in another video for the next installment of Olive's story. Have a creative day, everybody. Bye!